Welcome back mga kapuso. We are enjoying the conversation with General Bato de la Rosa. Si Mayor Espinosa, nung dumating siya rito, ba't niyo punta sa inyong bahay sa White House? Why was he special? Because he was a suspected drug lord, hindi ba? With his son?
Hindi po special yung treatment ko sa kanya.
O ba?
Just so happen na nung nag-report sila sa akin dito, 7 o'clock in the morning, andito na sila, nag-abang sa akin. But my schedule did not allow me to entertain them. Kinagabihan po, that was the time na harapin ko na po sila. Pinatawag ako sa Malacanang. Pumunta ko na Malacanang. Late in the evening, bumalik ako, galing Malacanang, pabalik na ako dito. Tinawagan naman ako, pinapabalik naman ako ni Presidente sa Malacanang. Pagbalik ko doon, hanggang hating gabi na, tapos sa usapan na, bumalik ko dito. Tinawagan na naman ako, pinabalik ko. 3 times ako nagbalik-balik. Finally, mga 4 o'clock in the morning o 3 o'clock in the morning, nandun pa rin sila. Naghintay pa rin sila. Pagdating ko doon po, tapos naman nag-usap, iyak siya, iyak yung asawa niya, iyak yung anak niya, nanginginig sa takot, gutom, tuliro. So, what do you expect from me? Tao lang ako. Pagkatapos kong kausapin yung tao na naghintay sa akin for how many hours, pagkatapos nun, patulugin ko lang sa kalsada.
Hindi pinakain ng PNP?
Pinakain sila, but wala silang ganang kumain. Walang ganang kumain. Takot na takot. Ayaw kumain.
Bakit rinelease si Espinosa? You said that he was a suspected drug lord. He had to surrender because he was in fear for his life. Hindi ba sabi nyo, papatayin nyo? Alright. So he was in fear for his life. And then, all of a sudden, he is released. What is that?
We don't have legal grounds to detain him. Right now, we have evidence.
You have evidence?
Kasi subsequent to his surrender, merong nag-serve ng search warrant yung ating mga pulis doon sa Albuera, Leyte, sa kanyang pamamahay. Na-enkwentro yung pulis natin, napatay yung, I think, 5 o 6 na tauhan niya, yung mga hitmen niya. Nakarecover ng mga katakot-takot na armas at mga bala. Then, another raid was conducted, another search was conducted. Nandun naman yung 10 kilo ba o 16 kilos ba yun na shabu nakuha sa kanyang pamamahay. So yun ang basis ngayon sa pinailan siya ng kaso. Pinailan sa kaso. But that was regular filing. So pending the release of the warrant of arrest, hindi mo na naman siya pwedeng hulihin. At saka, hindi naman niya inamin na siya drug lord. Ang inamin niya, yung anak niya ang drug lord, si Kerwin Espinosa, who is at large. But nagsurrender na sa akin for fear of his life.
So your information was wrong. Your information was that he and his son were drug lords.
The information was that yung son niya ang drug lord, siya ang protector. Siya ang drug lord protector. Pero i-deny niya na siya ang protector sa anak niya. But tell it to the Marines.
So
who will believe that? Who will believe that na hindi siya protector? Anak mo yan nanalo ka sa eleksyon. Do you think yung drug money ng anak mo?
Meron bang penalty for being a drug lord protector?
Depende sa extent ng kanyang participation sa drug trade ng anak niya. So madadawit pa rin siya doon.
Hindi niyo papatayin.
Kung lalaban siya, papatayin namin.